like a Hellcat.
Too big?
No.
Too small?
No.
It looks big from here though.
Yeah. It might have been alright.
It's kind of...
Lay down.
Alright. Blasted him. He's dead. He's dead.
Safety.
It was kind of hard. Hit him right there. So. Pretty decent sized deer from here.
I know. Look pretty good size.
But I nailed that thing.
Hey, you say so.
Yeah, I aimed like really like.
It didn't drop instantly. Now I gotta walk with you, so.
Oh, there goes a rabbit. What are you complaining about?
Just shot it on the white pathway was.
I could have shot it right there. It was one a lot easier. It was a rabbit. Two rabbits.
It looks very big.
Two rabbits.
I'm shooting rabbits on this, so.
Two rabbits off the big gun.
Fall down with you.
What? There's no rabbit.
That rabbit, that one you could have shot.
Maybe there's one out there. We weren't even
Walking a mile or two and chasing birds. But, where was it at? We didn't get farther, right?
all way up here.
I know, that's what I thought.
Is that blood spot up there?
I hope so.
It is. That's a lot of blood.
We walk that way now. Oh,
Holy crap, that is blood.
where'd you shoot at? Where'd you aim at?
Right where the heart and lungs are at.
Alright, we'll see.
Well, look at all the blood.
I don't see blood.
Don't you see it right there?
Oh, hey.
Oh, the red spot?
No.
Well, there's it. There it is, right there.
That's another one.
Two of
There's
those.
another one behind the trees.
Who could have another deer? Two deers clean tonight.
Probably the little ones.
Two deers tonight. Holy Jesus.
Yeah, you put a hole in it.
Oh, dang.
Is your videotaping it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think so. Does it look right in the back? It's on. Touch the
Yep.
GoPro. Oh, dang.
Dominic, this is what a blood trail supposed to look like. Wanna walk in there or wanna walk around?
Looks
Probably
like-
went on the other end.
Probably. We see another big doe out there or shoot it again?
Let me see.
This time I dropped the other one. Yeah, there's a blood spot over there. That other died in.
Land straight across. Probably on the end. No, we'll go back and walk.
Must have died in the trees. Looks like he didn't even come out.
I think he's not in that far. There's that one there.
It must have died in the trees.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's Bud right there.
oh, it's right there. Oh yeah. Alright, follow the trail.
Alright.
Wow. This guy's getting this damn far. There it is.
Oh, holy crap, that's a ginormous mom. Jesus. That thing is huge. That is twice the size of Dominic's.
The big one.
Sure, put the hole in.
Yeah, right through there.
Right there, all the organs.
Still bleeding.
Should we look around for another one?
No.
Get 2 in one day, then we'll be done. Heavy? Can you drag it?
I'll drag it open here.
Jesus Christ, this thing is ginormous.